Hi, this is Lago Basheret, and today is October 24th, 2019, and we are approaching the Canary Islands. And yes, and we're actually in pretty calm seas here, and it took us 3.5 days to get here from Rabat, Morocco. And the last day and a half we've had some really severe weather where we almost got knocked down but didn't in a 50-knot squall, and there was just tremendous winds along the Moroccan coast that we just got caught in them. But we are here now and it's all over. So in the process though, we damaged our mainsail right there, and way up there on the edge of the sail, which is called the leech, it got ripped. So only half of our sail here is out and the rest is inside, and I put it inside the mast. It furls inside the mast, so the rest of it wouldn't get more damaged and not spread. So we're trying to save the sail. Anyway, these are the Canary Islands here. This is Graciosa over here, La Graciosa. And this is Lanzarote over here. And the problem is that we're going to a place called La Francesca down the coast of Graciosa, and it's an anchorage. And the problem is that in the Canaries you have to go into a marina. There are no places to anchor, and we have no place to go at the moment. So we're gonna take pity on the marina maybe in Lanzarote and tell them that we're kind of disabled without our sail and we don't have much fuel left. In addition, this is our whisker pole laying on the deck, and I took it down early this morning because it literally fell from its position. It holds that foresail right in front of you out when it's furled out, and a little small clip let loose that holds the pin right there, and the whole thing dropped. And so we took it down, but fortunately there's no damage. So let me go up front here. So you can see what it is to kind of sail along here. Our main is out and it's fluttering a little bit, and there's about 3 more boats way off in the distance there, and they'll be along soon. Almost all the boats here go to La Francesca to anchor, and then they move on to hopefully a marina where they can rest. So the Canary Islands are beautiful. It's very sunny out here. It's about 13 knots of wind, and the seas are about maybe 2 feet, call it, or maybe about 1.3 meters, a little bit bigger. And we're just going to sail down the coast of La Graciosa down to La Francesca, and we're going to anchor for the night, and then someone might take pity on us tomorrow. So that's Lago Basheret, and we are done for the day.